This brand new website got featured in Forbes and it pays six figures to people from India, Pakistan, South Africa, Nigeria, Philippines, Mexico, Brazil, Indonesia, USA, UK, Canada, Australia and all other countries. And it pays you through PayPal, Payoneer, bank transfer and other payment options are also available. You just need an internet connection and a device like a computer, a laptop or a smartphone. So if you're really excited for this as I am, don't forget to like this video, leave a thumbs up below, and if you do appreciate me doing all the research for you, just take a second to hit the subscribe button and tap on the bell icon to turn on notifications so you'll never miss any of my upcoming videos. And this is a brand new platform that we never used before, and you should stay all the way until the end of this video and pay close attention so you won't get confused and if you really want to make this work. As you can see, this guy has made over $500,000 and this guy has made over $300,000 and this guy has also made over $300,000 and they are making thousands of dollars from this website. As you can see, this website is featured on massive media sources like Entrepreneur, Forbes and so on. So it's definitely a good company to work with. But since the sign-up process is really complicated and confusing, there's one little simple mistake that complete newbies make with this platform, which leaves them zero earnings, so it doesn't work if you don't do it properly. So if you really want to set up this properly so you can make this work for you, so you can make some money from this website, I highly recommend you to watch this 10-minute video and pay close attention to each and every little step I teach you. And the main platform that will pay you today is Studypool.com. This is a platform according to SimilarWeb which gets 1.12 million total visits per month, and all of them are coming from the top tier countries like United States. 40% of that is coming from United States. And if you come back to Studypool, ask yourselves how it works actually. Now this is a platform where everyday people like me and you come to learn skills at very low price, and they can learn whatever the subject they need. And for example, business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, health and medical, economics, engineering, computer science, law, foreign languages, and inside these you find most of the subjects you can find in the world. Now don't worry, you won't have to study anything or won't be paying for anything. This is gonna be absolutely free for you because there are some other features on this website which you will be using to start making money. So when you start making money at Studypool, go over to become a tutor. So basically you will have to become a tutor here. Don't worry, this is not gonna be hard because I'll explain you exactly how it works. So this says earn money answering homework questions, earn up to $7,500 monthly working from home tutoring students. And Studypool is a trusted service provider for over 50,000 tutors. Why tutor on Studypool? There are many reasons to make Studypool your go-to source for online tutoring work. You can go to learn more about this or watch this video. There is a reliable income here, guys. Make good money using nothing more than your knowledge and your keyboard, and you have the full freedom and flexibility. Choose when to work, where you want to work from. So basically from anywhere in the world you can do this. There's no boss, no office and no quotas. Create your own schedule. This is how you quit the job and work from home. So you can be anywhere in the world, and all you need is an internet connection and a computer, laptop or a smartphone device, as I said earlier. Also, you can see the earnings here. The highest earnings, in the beginning I showed you this person has made over $500,000, this person has made over $300,000. See, most of the tutors are earning six figures from this guy. If you scroll down, you can see some reviews from the people all over the world, and you can go through those as well. So whatever you have experience in, whatever you have knowledge about, you can teach other people on that specific topic, and you can get paid again and again at Studypool. So you can apply now and become a tutor. And don't worry, if you do not know anything about this or anything about a subject, I'll give you another platform which does this for you for absolutely free. And let's apply here to become a tutor. So basically you can give your email address, a unique username and a password and create an account. account, and if not, you can sign up with Google, Facebook or LinkedIn. So let's create an account. So after signing up, you have to start your application here, but keep in mind the application takes about 30 minutes to an hour and can be saved if you're unable to complete it in one sitting. And also you can see the supported payment methods: bank deposit, check, M-Pesa, PayPal, Payoneer, Transferize and Western Union. So if you don't have PayPal in your country, or if you can't receive money from PayPal in your country, you can use the other payment options. And let's start the application now. And also keep in mind, this will take from 1 to 3 business days to get accepted, and so you can start teaching other people and start making money. So this asks your name, first name, last name, your nationality. No matter from where you are coming from, you can select your country, and there are almost all the countries in the world. And give your address, and they need some of your academic background as well, and you can save and continue here. And guys, I'm not going to take 30 minutes to fill this out. You can just give your basic details here, and in my opinion, we all know something about something, so anyone can work here. But if you think you're not suitable to teach others on all of these different subjects, if you think you don't have any expertise on any of these subjects, you can simply Google or YouTube and learn for free. So you can teach what you learned on Studypool to make money. Simple. Trust me guys, this will pay off. Spend a couple of hours or a day or a few days learning about a new subject which you can then teach others and make thousands of dollars. And here's a bonus tip guys, but before that, if you like this video, then show your support by giving this video a thumbs up below, and if you haven't already, do myself a favor by hitting the red subscribe button with notifications on. And now the bonus tip, you can go over to udemy.com. This is a place where you can get courses on different subjects, and instead of paying for those courses, if you want to start for absolutely free, so you can learn some skills and gain knowledge to become a qualified Studypool tutor. And you can go over this search bar and type the subject you want to learn. So for an example, let's say business, and you'll see hundreds of courses out here. Some of them are paid actually, but as we are talking about a free strategy, you can scroll down and come over to price and pick free, and you'll get 1,799 courses which you can take for absolutely free, and some of those will actually give you a certificate as well. So you can go through these courses. All of them are free: operations management, unpacking the internet of things, how to speak to anyone, 10 Excel features every analyst should know, how to transcribe in Excel in general transcription, and here you can use customer service, make money from home. And also you can see the top companies choose Udemy for business to build in demand career skills: Adidas, SurveyMonkey, Booking.com. So you can use Udemy to learn anything and teach what you learned in Studypool. Make sure to get through the subjects that you have to teach on Studypool and learn about them at Udemy. So guys, at Studypool you can earn a lot of money like this. This is obviously gonna cost you nothing at all to get started, but keep in mind they charge a service fee here starting at 20%. Studypool charges the lowest service fees in the market. We all like to give our tutors what they earn. So basically this means if you earn $1,000, they will get 200 off that, which is not that much, as this brings us students from all over the world. And guys, you should definitely take advantage of this website before too many people start using it, because it's a great platform, and since it's a relatively new one, the only mistake you can make is to not jump on it right away. The only mistake you can make is to wait for it to get saturated. So learn something, become a tutor, make some money from this. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, comment down below. As I always say, I love replying to all of your comments. Share with your mates, like, subscribe, tap the bell icon. Thanks for watching.